area busiafo ma mama makwa aba last segment na ye de ahyehye ene Adekye Nsroma dwumadie ne so benada die na last segment no ne yesi nkonwa na nsema wodo aba nkrata ni mu no ye dwendwen ho anase ye bobo ho no ansana ye bekan no ho asem no afei na obi de ne birthday love note na banti happy birthday goes to my lovely son Xavier Papa Kwabneje, who is 6 years old and attend Matters of Uganda Preparatory School class Prudence 1. May the good Lord bless him to accomplish more laurels. From mother, hey Xavier no hey there be why asari adie ni bi Xavier no I'm thinking is a he or sign the Kwabena crash ho but or mature from her mother Ma Mavis secretary to Achima Kwangoma DCE enti Xavier ye ma utrinkwa ye ma awoda pa na ye koyanim no ene ye nhwe ensema na ye beka no ene de anya maso referendum enkrata no obi ani said your fa no ena afi guta eni nuta de no eno ene ye behwe pa nsa na time no bi soso a na kane Israel pani ane woye Ghana ambassador to France mame Anna Bossman na futu awode amen ye beka enforce anti-corruption laws na de ye di kan hwe pa no say blows over referendum sana daily guide efano blows over aborted referendum minister withdraws bail now chronicle there say Mohammed's flip-flop cost us referendum says John Boadu and then AG officially withdraws bill on referendum which one again the president response will help Ghana forge ahead. And then indecisive and unprincipled NPP dissents on Mahama over faltering stance on abortive referendum. And she say na nenkrata no edi ebaye Daily Graphic they say Attorney General withdraws amendment bills from Parliament and a Ghanaian Times says AG withdraws referendum bill from Parliament and Tianuan ye Babeke na fe ya she guta nuta clash in Accra. Gunshots fired, stones fly, 7 arrested, 3 injured. Near Busa say asemi one me penny need ya good bread abe and yes sir ye de no phone sa na de yempe se ye behu ana ye betie enti yempe se ye bebo din kra kansem akoye amodino na toache yen se sisire kwabrafo toache obi ewo afuomu anase nsuo bi ho no afi ye gye ye ho ba bia enye ye beka ne seni nti wei ene asemo ane ye behwe na ye di emu enkomo eran mo de wadaje ni bi afem yen no Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu or your Deputy CEO Ghana Steel and Iron Development Corporation or your lawyer ni na wopfa ne ho pa or your Daddy Lumba Adamfo Daddy boko de anopai me mawache and afi Honorable Joseph Yami ono de or your former Ashanti Regional Secretary ma NDC former Ashanti Regional Minister Deputy Deputy Minister Ashanti Region wa and a Deputy Youth and Sports Minister into on the other so our deputy name said the idea Honorable Joseph Yami Akwaba he said Honorable Kokufu first and former but he said no deputy CEO
sir Aminyanti appointment
deputy CEO last time he be share I want
of the forestry
David forestry the your board member
an appointment also or deserve the
what leading me to your diabolism
or deserve just that
so why would you say deserve it man congratulations na one chira di omo honorable chira no say when your post na mo djuma mo ye no ka bi chira no mami
yeah mama I have watched you no pay
okay
o ka chira no wa chia bebrebe say yen ndu chia no
na njia wo na nro medro ya santima say ya basa na asantima for
anti we ya asantima association ana unya deputy CEO ummo na
o ni mo mpeti o ka so mu koye press conference bi say me kokuku kra ma mpani ma madwuma onye we babo ntebe ka chirum say o ma friend
but say no so kra ye eboaye because ye kra ni enimti yes ane ne ma because say mpamcho me dem wo me post
now already plus na more forestry commission board
that's true
already
But when your deputy CEO still catch a Ghana Steel and Iron Development Corporation.
Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation.
Integrated Iron and Steel
Development Corporation.
Okay.
To say GMPC, maybe Abana is here.
Fangono. Okay.
Now, my penny or Sabreno, et said you McQuincy, Yanshe. Sana Akobase, your iron ore deposit.
Okay.
Ghana, a mood do ye.
Okay.
Till my penny say, Parliament into said you McQuino. Na yɛmfa nhwehwɛ mmoa
Timomo de no mahubi and I think na mo be hwehwɛ
yahu bebree ebi o Opomanse our western region
okay
ebi wo Apafu our Volta region
okay
ebi wo Shieni our northern region and ebi wo Pudu our yene Upper Volta yene Burkina Shia no so
okay
onso bi o nti
see a gold I will be iron nso I will be yeah, na so baby ejina na ejina.
Enunti ye die ba beboa am ya pija o man no afri baby ayo.
Ti muhu wi am adwuma si ana muhu wi aso mo hwe ni tuo ni so.
Ye hwe ni tuo. The difference a wo mu sise no no. Ye gold ni ye diamond. Ebre bi atwa mu no se ye ne se de o mampani akufo ado ye ni. O ye bauxite no ye we aka ho ya. Enke beboa o man ni ye pa. Ye wadi be friend natural resources. Ne governance systems so be hwe ni tuo ne ye ene ne husika sem ebeba no kwan be na mo be fa so e dia enti we ne de ye nya hunu awie companies are interested the clear exploration ahwe o me interested no ye no on betnational license won na ya ma won ya hye won se adwuma sem bia wo be ye bia no aban no wo mu 30% straight ahead enti from upstream ye ni tuo no to midstream your best smelter iron ore into iron now for downstream na iron ore no iron na your smelter we no your de be iron rods no ne steel products no ne nema no e che se eno so nti wo hwe adwuma de beba ene mfa so
adwuma be so pa chia na afi honorable ya min so chia na afi
o man pani nkran Greater Accra o starte no aprobo na senia nipa epese yitie no ne hu no aso ani nti bra oguso a wo ba pray ebekoso asre nyame ahode ama ene akokotro na afi anuano ma ka nyina so titiri ya santimem ohene nso so ne ho ye nti na no memene da me bana ne ho ye na unuano ma
ana nso ya manfo okoprempe
dabi
okay
meme ya brantie
Abranti yen fafo a.
Kuma say high school.
Cookies Mranti okay.
Say ye school ye din no na president ko force the man Ghana schools nyina.
Eno ye de.
Say ye kuma say high school, the only high school, the only true high school.
Pacho, to boase.
You say Prempe High.
To boase.
Na
1836.
Prempe High.
Oh,
Moto mo boase. 1836 and sana mo beti mu school no. Na Mrs. Harriet Wiggy at Wesley Girls High School. Inti nyaboche
ne mu
nyaboche arabu ya mi akwa ba onso chia na fe yen hye komo ase
mechia santuma mechia ye NDC for mo hwe na mechia the incoming president 2021 John Dramani Mahama papa na opie baby a wonhia announcement na nipa edrimeka epie aba abontin aba behwe no ono na mechia no na mechia omampanyi na nado danko akufu adon so wa sheto na se wa ankramam matese yese o inspect ongoing project ampa de jo Mahama sha se opokuasi nra okoko hwe efe obesa akwa commission completed projects minim se ono ankasa nibi obai won sha se ntimi nye bibi antimi complete bla anya kra no Lagos hospital ho ntimi complete on commission ma Ghana for News Bank of Ghana Hospital or head who see on teaming commission now on commission maritime for also hospital we are on call terminal 3 at least officially on commission because airport no Magana awards well say me say
what say e can itinerary ne ho
said matese o be commission say on file projects or commission from
no say itinerary no enra ofaga west nega east ene obefa I think Madina and Potemo e china obewi obekọ asha maniteshi area enti say e ka area ne ho dia
airport no e hemfa
I don't know.
Terminal 3 no nim baby o. But some okay, say me chia ni na me kan de expect senko be ye. Oba santime wan tin anya bibia wan commission bibia wan hwe. To bank ran ma John Mahama ye nyuma bebre di go. So te say okopoku ase ye okohwe de ekosu. Onko Legon Hospital no commission ma. Nipa enro emite say kolebu amanfo queue ambulance enye fe hospital si wona amanfo brenya mpanya dey.
Okay, trust the politician obi achia ne nchi anti awie sa no moma ye ni nkomo na ewom se doctor ba kane na so mesere na nidie na me de honorable Yami Ahase efi se na media mechanic say a lawyer for the civil society say can say referendum mi mun cheche mu ye ne ente ase e ma bi mu kura yo manim say no man for mun koto no ti civil societies ni mu che e bi say mun 2 years e bi say no bi answer man reason the ente a man for koto no ana mun koto yes enti enum wa na yeti say oh NDC sponsor a press conference and onum say omu de omu ye for no na de anu say ni so omu so ma omu nyina so enti a omu gina for no and MPP for majority of parliament say mo sa na mo tie mo ye mambofo ye ne mo nkokwan ye nyina ya te ase and omu sha ase twa hansard ya omu etwo ye wo Parliament 19th July 2019 afiyemu ana fasa referendum ni nkomodie ho any the various minority members of parliament no wonum ekekaye sa enti na no kwasi ada na nsa ne ya yetie so mampani ba be address o mamuni nyina on sa ye referendum mi obi atam chuku no opetie ene ekwoti so so ma suspend ana makase aseye hwe potem mammuo eni nkonkuma mpunto nso enhwe na wontu na mo esese wotu na yentwe referendum ne nsensen onu akra ka se nya atwembia koso maye ne nwanwa efise consultation se yenka yetinsa wo ye ni di nkomo no nkomo de odidi ye pa woni ni predecessors ne brofo ni enti obi a wabedi mampani da bia wa hoyem bia no oni womo adwen ho tie enwa asa abase no nko opaniye na nso se yesise ya yatwa sen enye no nko asade a de 243 nso de ko parliament no eno so atwa sen tie di nkomo ni nyina awia na afa ye koye nimu a nye obebi ede befa eno so ade a chenra minority say ene mampani wantimi afa kota anye nkwan honorable Kuja tabla kwase waboye ka mayehu ka no baby a dodo a wo boye ena afa ye koye nimu no so fisi asesi kapa mayehu afa ebi so se wosuro ntin wa me yankoso no ebi so aba beka mekai MP Ndebugire former MP was say eno kran so de mampani eno kran so sign unconstitutional wabumra ni so yo ade a chene benada yes say eji akok parliament say bill no a ye de baaye no ye fa process na ya twa sign enti afi abe constitutional ana wa correct de wonum say emra na wabusu no wode bumra bi so ana honorable Yami
medasi pa na ni edikan Mampenyi Dada John Dramani Mahama was stating the clear say Mampenyi na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo. Na asema waka ye say woni Mampenyi for Dada Edwin sa referendum yi ehun no. Enye no kre. De o maka ho asem MMDCs a ye be elected and am panso so in the manifestos of almost all the political parties. Idea ya tum say a breadru say ye MMDCs no ye to omuso aba. Enti in the manifestos no NDC for ye wo mu say e be make steps to ensure say MMDCs ye be to omuso aba. The MPP manifesto also has the same. Enti ano ho anamutuo na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo tuye. Ndi wonjai mfutura wotugu Ghana for any efa the entire or draw ne niswadie hunu of making assembly elections partisan. Me kaise adie isha si ye miensan ya o program ya so.
Okay.
Ye discuss say adie say articles me no den na etimi hia ba ko ho omampanyin hia referendum that is the MMDCs.
Okay.
But omampanyin ya tai sa de obetimi akọ parliament ye free ho no e de ahye assemblyman fo no edie no. And for that matter, referendum na yankoto aba and decide who would be elected at the MMDC level. No man penny catch so 2 years about 2 MMDC so aba. And that created a lot of confusion. So Obekaya, a bro man penny make his statement and pen NCC for Bab on things. On the referendum day, no, there's no question of opposition to MMDC so aba. It's about opposition assemblyman on partisan basis.
Maybe opening kojo upon coma explanation we beboa cause enra na manfo bisa say adenti na mampani ede ne nsa ko kan 240 ende parliament na bayenti na nsa so sesa no and also omo believe say 55-3 any 2431 no enanti bom atani ata say yes say ye kwache adwense emfa amanyosem emra form abatuo ni mu a ede enu so beboa ama yetimi ato DCs ne so aba if so mo puta yentia no mo ye nsa niama mienu baako se omo beyi sa winner takes all enhyehyɛ na fi ho na fe etia mienu nso yama obia kwan if say as it is now no say mampani koye amendment so yentu DC for so aba na nso yama amanyofo amamu bia ya ye discrimination ayepemu etia womo amanyosemu say mo de ye to so abobia betimi agina na so da chi bi so na bukokofo no so me pese me ye DC and MC e wo komase me ye mayor wo komase a ontumi nkogina bi da just because of a politician amu ni say sa no esi pai emwa.
It's still confusing and akojo mechiana no pay me feel say afterthought say ya tenase ade na si decision na ya take no Ghana phone na ase hu say well Abino did not thoroughly go through and a lot of consultations a broader one before or take that decision in the ababontin and that is the withdrawal and I was say you justify why inti I withdrawn anything I'm sure say free one of the justifications say ye ne aman penyi dada fo no etena eka ho asem omogie den ede etu no Ghana fo ntiase yesa omampenyi
enti economy nso enti his excellency president Akufo-Addo ebetwa ntro anase obey economical with the truth ache Ghana fo say meni me predecessors adwen ho anye bia de wo so wo kan woni mampenda da ma adwen ho na waka che say ohia but he only spoke about
MMDCs one can assemblyman election.
We are very sure.
In fact, in Rakra, no kuja to a blocker. I can't want some more parliament.
But the president Mahama Nankasa or former President Mahama and on cash.
We are telling you, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo was economical with the truth. One new Amampenyi, that is one President Adekye Nsroma Ekasaya. That is a different issue. He should point out. But Omampenyi Dada John Dramani Mahama, the one ne can wasem MMDCs. Now, no dear, I'm ready to say semi support too because it is also in the manifesto of the NDC. In the NCT records, no straight to her. Now, MPP for Nyai Saha.
I don't know 3 days in what is a mufan say accusation. I ask my entisa and on one casa mekanshi.
Miniaba, and yes, the point is that I'm here as the NDC communicator. I'm telling the whole world, Obi Aohei Biase, no man penina another Danko Akufo-Addo. Onjai so catch Ghana for some many a man penida that forgery, one son and me to Sana. It wasn't part of it. Again, could you upon Nkrumah's statement? Say a afterthought said them they can mean who in the manifesto of the MPP? Or Mutimi LNK the two. And Tessa, many a bank only bisham say a buy a battle. You see, manifesto of CPP has it in there, say, or Moba, or Modi make sure say about 2 assemblyman elections on partisan basis. Near elected a year MMDCs on partisan basis. The MPP manifesto doesn't have that. It is and then I want to say, we better take a decision in Tino per se embrace. Yes, of course, anything you could
must necessarily be in a manifesto.
It should be. Say a tenase, any nimunenya fee in a year, it should have appeared there. say I don't know because you to MMDCs waba. Forgetting of DCs. It starts from there. But
forgetting
about assemblymen. We manifesto no. You nipa the MMDCs and two almost on partisan basis. Assemblymen and two almost on partisan basis. But what's stating in your manifesto say, Obama to MMDCs waba. And you forgot of the assemblyman. What's say? Enya afi no wahunu sa
assemblyman ye to ne so abadada
on partisan basis the entire year referendum
okay
and ho asem na ye ka
enti say na omunim 55-3 no so
omunim ho dada enka wo mbe state in the manifesto say ye ba we be call parliament akwa amend the bill at ebema ya to assemblyman for so aba on partisan basis ye wia ya to ye omampanyi tumi or they appointed MMDCs and nso afiri ho na ya to saa aba no so on partisan basis. No, it is not there. The womu a omampanyi ema Ghana for tias ye nyina na ye support was election of the MMDCs and ho asem no ne omampanyi dada John Mahama ekokan. So oni obi fufuro kan different thing na on kan onyi John Mahama nyeden emfam film. But the point is that saa a decision na no de ba no create a lot of problems. Ye di kan ka kire o say e form no empesa ade no. Sa decision no so bedi or how kese bedi abeba. And interestingly, all assembly members are campaigning for no. It's not about the NDC kwa. Assembly member no a ojina ho no mo no be call one electoral area. Bia ye were 3 sympathizers of MPP or NDC. Omu ni na adi omho aba abonten se yento abanyeden ema om. Omo were the opportunity because at that level party no will not decide who should be on that ticket. And no yemano than say party no ebe decide who should be there. It takes that a bit me ama the opportunity to serve at that local level no and that is the reason why assemblyman phone now were campaigning for no. It's not in this inquiry. The same reason confusion at the afterwards. And the chieftaincy institutions say kofa and some bebre dey at the buy. Say the president of the National House of Chiefs issue a statement the position of the National House of Chiefs. Now when you're coming out to state another counter position. That clearly was a sign. Say Ghana for take a decision and another danko akufuado take a decision could be a recipe for disaster in this country. Of course.
Pam no channel and a wabo.
Why you 10?
And also more problem.
Pam no channel, why you 10? So Nanado has made a U10. Who send a statement in no or can say or bet me I describe the NDC position as a U10. I am describing Nanado's position today as a U10 because Onoankasa wa fana asemna eden asanyamene. But should the president of the republic
should we not say this is what we are looking for? No, too partisan.
No, but of course, so to anamono so anamono I'm not into the legal fraternity. To me, okay. I will not speak as if Zemete Emrana as it said the Kokufu Beden. But I'm not sure Kokufu so Timrana says lawyers and almost raise a counter position on the issue. The point is that a lawyer phobia sorry say Emrano Nanado say Yanko yin free horse we need 2 minutes at immediate edi free. At least you should have used a better and another approach than the way they we should. And Emra I will not go there. I will not attempt to want to go into that. But so, Omanpenyi statement, Wanka Gloria Kufu. Was he Hadia Alima Mahama and Konkungu Yinfrio? And there's a response to that level. And Rauti minority leader. Was he Alima Mahama on Bibi Amba Parliament? How would she come and take Attorney General? So at that point, Nanado Danko Akufuado again misled the people of this country.
They be looking for fault. Any baby,
why? That's a woman who can afford, but woman who can afford. But the point is that
war position. They be I have to look out for fault.
No, it is Oman Penny or I am from Zuamianka. Adia eka ho asemi Oman Penny say uti wo ankasa kra wo kan wo se Oman Penny instructe mantem person me use twi no
so afọ hwe
na nra de okoyi firi ona so afọ hwe mantem de koyi firi attorney general. So it means that the position of the minority say Omampenyi directive no cry so was wrong in the first place no. But me, my disappointment is why Omampenyi will spend all his time to try to paint a picture to Ghana for say a NDC funti and a referendum nanya day ankos. Omampenyi should have used that opportunity to thank NDC and thank the chieftaincy institution and other bodies are sorry no musha see draw the attention of the president say adi it has
say munti na so o say wetie nkomo ahodo na akoso no na de ye ne nwanwa eni say U10 na ebi mo make. Did he make specific reference to more?
He made mention to the NDC. So he will turn it as a U10. And I'm saying that U10 is a new year. Say, I say, on my U10 and don't quite very sharp. But the point is that Omampenyi and NDC, we have not made any U10 in this statement. Our position has always been clear. Your position is clear.
Some position in a man for grants who concern say time ben amu who say mu no. But I know no kukufu be.
Time ben who say pe
no.
Time who say pe no ni say yempe. They pay yes and MMDC. You for MMDC. So you am for assemblyman. That is the misinformation. Our Omampenyi and Crawford try very hard. And they are justified the U10 or my but too much. Your position has always been straight. You see, MMDC is so to swab at least we have the Constitutional Review Commission report. As stated clear. Say I feel the Ghana for you willing. Say MMDC is young tomb. No crano. The Constitutional Review Commission did not even state to say MMDC is needed in our crowd. Was it district there? Omampenyi na Nkoswanya then appointed. But municipal and the metropolitan assemblies in there. Young two or more swap. That is what Ghana for a bar commission.
That's a commission. Say baby so now what say Ghana for pay partisanship
they want
at a lower level.
And or say they should consider at in the near future the future. But the MMDC is what banned there. District 1 no Ghana 4 are still and I have the report here. But metropolitan there yan to swaba.
Review committee ni we how many years ni?
Oh I couldn't anymore.
Until near future ni mwana nanke.
No, but I don't think now Omampenyi shouldn't have withdrawn the referendum. Cause so makwan mayeko. Na ye hwese Ghana 4 no near future yi ne no omo pe no anase omo pe no ochina. Our position is that near future and you nuri. And Omampenyi is saying say you're doing. So Omampenyi was advocating for a yes. We were advocating for a no. Why has Omampenyi made a U10 in this
semester when he say you come said you're not kukufuye for the next 15 minutes. Dog. Na adena we mrenim for say wo de unka NDC for dia na unka honorable Ndebu grade na say Professor Kwaku Kwakwaza onu so kan say sa CI na 13013 no enu no na a movie afi mampani level afi executive level enti na bem it is not in his power to say yenkoyi enfemfio because then ebasa emaye hu say isi ni ye independent enough.
Mami, because on cheerful, I mean a few corrections and some about it. And crest on Mampeni a car probo.
Okay.
Or share a coin or crochet puquiasi, domi atomic to domi a coin in our share, and ne or bequa jengano, or share coin dahua ye. And that is Puquiasi project started on the 4th of April 2019. Sorry, 2018.
Okay.
4th April 2018. I hope Seminian will take notes. It never started under Mahama administration. Mahama and NDC Frabem, December 7th January 2017. Puquiasi project Shasia April 8th 2018. One aspect. It's about $60 million. Now, we share acquire a home and then the money design. we are me part of me home so me the Pukuasi project no. Ebe compare the more Dubai. Circle interchange.
Okay.
Near the price upon price, a born at home near the quality. Inti yesremo Janadu on call share road to be a Yehi Mahama road near the to the point.
Okay.
NDC Yadamase, Yana for the mass. Say much musu nemo buying input out of government. But see Omu MP Bako, a very, very senior MP. I say, oh, ya trekeshemo. Ya boapa ne dada mo and say yes ye pe na ya trekeshe. What trekeshe wo ho? What trekeshe Ghana? What trekeshe Ghana wa be mu a de aba opposition mu da ho trekeshe Ghana. Na indeed NDC and democracy pa na de. Be sin ne nya de wo mu anije ho pisa. CSC ento aba ne ade particularly where ominim say ye kwa abato bia they cannot influence elections or Ghana have mu da. So they are no more happy. Just say they are simply unhappy. Judging from where they are coming from. We know in their DNA, they have never wanted multi-party democracy. 1992 return to democracy. In Kikabumune, precious, a core hineba hineni adia, yijina viasi jina forso ya within internally so. Ija Professor Dubois Hinumako a corn creating in Penfua who would binum, Quasi Pratinum, Kokuba Akonum, Eura Kufuadonum near this original says, see a call back to democracy. They were forced into it.
Na aden yakosi baby a wokoi. Say omobeka se mama yemfa partisanship enko lower level abatum no enti omompe democracy.
Democracy is about partisan they say
multi-party.
Duduo amamuo amawio nshisemu asem ne yeke. They have never liked it. Enti omu ye arrangement nyina na so mu ja portion dia eno de ye di free sura do from baby kakra say eno de yenya no. Well, you are right. Ghana for a constitutional review commission call Ghana for if we want say a form from a better aba ye pese to no in party politics party multi-party level. Oh no issue white paper that also a share boy. Is there Ghanaian said it. And I'll be sad because in the near future, then end up. Now the entire or manpening or making a statement. Now Magia Fase or Nemo now Case or manpeni dada mama say or no abo money or beside about me and can because
okay say or Ujinahama NDC Amanyukono.
By your
Kasama former party.
Or manpenia dada say in the moment Kasama no direct. Yeni mame bawa Moktari. Yeni lawyer Eduji. Umu free na suya ya sembi ba na dika umu ba big na waka. Where what can you say?
Sense no brunko na enso do konko. Mampanyi no onye independent or party. It is until am bisa no say party in stance.
And na say utie umu general secretary ya ru say dun katia. O say and umu ko Adekye meeting bi ewo Kempinski na Osma NDC ni deputy yibi na okoe no okoka na adwene. The mere fa say omusma na okoe de okoka say ofoa dwumadie no so no nkire say NDC for na say omufoa so. That's what he said. And the NDC for no me ade so utie mienu. O say omho ye hu papa wo mem na they are so dangerous for multi-party democracy.
Mutie omo mienu.
Yeah, say now
mutie omo mienu dey na say nkan nya mo wanwa say omo taking that stance.
There be say near so massesan. Oh, second nipa there. Ufri ya punish o about to say. Now ufri oba opposition at least anya hwe no sesa share kakraba. But for a whole senior MP to come out to say said ye nyina no ya boapa na ya trekese mo ana na ya pese ya democracy corner bi. But this is what my munasem. Your mamuna de nyina na amamuo no ne nsese da ye yen. Anya agudie. Ana anya sebsebe ye ne ye die nti. Of course, political party, yes, that we agree. No mom say ya ba de biara da ana mon central free. Maka say enti as said do baby a nya middle line. Most parliament, what I can say, most the moment parliament nyina adwen be ko benkrom. Minority na you musika sem nyaza. Na you mu ye.
Ana mu ye die.
Nyaza. So for once we had an opportunity parliament be chire mu achire Ghana fo nyina se adna de enye ye nko aye die ni mu maye o mamu nyina ye die Nti for that reason no ye nyina ye kɔ yanim ye kɔ ne sei na magye pene na bibia koda ene ade a then mafa akire wonim say
a wote ne nchweche mu
no say
de omu nyina pene so majority ni minority no na ye 2431 eye de mampani mom de ne tumi ni bi magana fo a eno no enya referendum na enya referendum ne de no se me bisa
e kafa wo mu no makon sa e after to e mpoma no mo ahuri afam but all the same no me before mampani so se watwe asensen ochina adekye afe mfie mienu mfie du mfie nwotwe se onyame dum ye ne atenkwam na hyehyɛ ne nkutahodie kɔ se ne aye pɛ no na beboa me foa no so se ye nkoto aba yes bibia ye this hyehyɛ ne beba mama call the legal issues se o mampani wafom de mra you tell say mini say okase local government minister na on enkoyi free ho
okay
Attorney General Department. Almost all a friend say bia bills bia ye be bia no. E kono ho no ahwem. What you say? Ana aba. Ana wa bele wale in parliament. It is a corridor. Na ministers omuna omugina omampania na amudie dwumadie bia bibia wo de call parliament as a minister executive wo de call in the name of president. The president need the ultimate into osoma it is okase local government aso ye na saade no wo na attorney general de ko ti kona ko ba attorney general mane na mun kona mu mrakwan so mun ko yin free. What's so wrong with it?
One kasa onko attorney general mane.
He
said I've instructed the ministry or the minister of local government and rural development to withdraw. Ti e honom no brofo no mo se there bi say instruction bi onuma adentina ode ekwa akoma attorney local government minister. Now what can say
because local government minister ano tintim na so ye na tintim ye ho na originate ye ho na originate san hyehyɛ ni nyina nti originate wi ene ne ade na ese by you know ye de come attorney general na attorney general tintim no bele
nti se tintim de se ba mramu de a aban no apani atena no mu tintim
na bi tie say your form your policy in your formulate and you're putting into a bill for to the court lawyer penny say
and policy
okay the lawyer penny say no the lawyer brofo no ne ade ne court law no be hyehyem we are presenting why dey na utintin ade come attorney general no kona ko kachira ne semon redraw so simple
na do be call long process a lawyer penny wo kra na wo de call parliament ayemra abayemra sem abecheche yen say esi aya so constitution yemra sem ti lawyer penny e wo kona ko yi wo candidate asa nke eno so ebe ya asem ama ya ba betwe so tonto
da bi na we do atwebo ehun so tonto a wo se bre wo just wo kra no utiri na eyo yakwa
but what's your man for argument
the bottom line is say ya de ade akodu na hye badwam yan corridor
okay
dia asuye ni a osma no na so wonti ayi de say akokọ ne ayi ahyede asem ni bi
yeah
papa ya ono ne ba fra bochire ba na wo mo adoma bebre ntunani age ana say sisi ya no opese ye party nti ofre ne fa ne chief farmer say onche akyekede na ono ansu ehie no ontutu no ho na onfa no anye onfa monkwan no mu nyina ani akyekide gyina no ahwe akokọ ani was akokọ wate what you say so because akyekide onu ni ntakra ana ye mfa yi hu nti wo akokọ wo ne ye ne nti oni attorney general na wakoyi now the legal issue of a constitutional breach near there where does it come in ye wo mramu ni mienu pe asuye mienu pa omu betini ame aye mra
okay
e parliament one article 108 Emma president to me
okay
the executive say obey initiative mra through the ministers and asuye no good and sign a parliament ankasa 103 article 103 Siomoto Parliament and near friend private members bill Then no cry, but since I hear parliament, you intimi input two say in cry into practice.
Okay.
Because another law be or say, so we end the cabeba, this also called executive no. Na executive na president as say, as a man who's can't just say you defeated somehow. So in law, it is only two. Now, what would them ra ebano? Am I ye bill neba? Am I she could room rano? Say, who at a point, third reading, any consideration level, just saying at any point, who bet me a berry draw. It me a me de buy no. Say me say ne, my ba na me berry draw. Who how ni say? Na do or say me uncle so asanya. Who copy so eti. Clearly, unless maybe they will advance other argument, they can, and people might say, be so better stay in court. That is the beauty of democracy and our legal jurisprudence. The interface, court near the Supreme Court. But the bottom line is, penning essay, ya change mediana since. Pia ya chia since no, ya idea, ye be maho kwine, ana ye be makwine, nankuta hudie akwonenim senia, ebese befata. Na ankran ne akuakuo nom ne ade a ewo twaka wom ewa adwenkyere bia no dodo wo ma kyere wandwen na se hu behia se animu ya na da achi bi ye besan de abeto Ghana fo anim why not e be abeto Ghana fo anim electoral commission kwa na ewo akoduru wo maso ye ne electoral commission ifie nai bia nsa ye to assembly members fo so aba nyaza fie nai bia if na bia ya to MPs ne president so aba nyesa a mandatory a work constitution mu a nowhere in the constitution I actually say referendum afibia say referendum and then fear na bia say referendum no it comes as and when a necessary now as and when a necessary so a president aso ye na initiate electoral commission on its own cannot initiate a referendum about all.
But so what's here Professor Asare ni argument na the other bill ne kon chinchin achi on no ko yana initiator no and a withdraw and was say it depends
me tie no
or say it depends sometimes say a bill form dia and you say me won krata so nya me yemra but baby e beba be binding na be yemra be it EI LI or CI no abeye mra wi enti ba bia akoduru no enye nipa no de koye na abiem na besia beyi eno so e
enu ba bia
referendum na ba say the CI ato sa ade yi so na
referendum
about constitutional instrument me da so
about ayi a friend say yes or no ye koto yes that yes na ye koto no eno no per se samra no ense 55
no say yes or no process no any say ye pese yes answer ye ya ye nko gazette ya gazette in 6 months ni ye de akwa mo in parliament ati ase o mabobo ho and o maka say okay any e say ye ntran tinti mo kwaje o madwenche okay 243 ni de ye be ye ho adwuma and wo ma start o mo process no enti e ho kakra no no say si ano a picture ni mu afi ahase na na e wo fom no enti ba bia adru no enye se wo de wano abeka se oh me anam de ko enti me anam ko ima de afi ho
that be the process na yande
but you are still on the process and it has moved to a different stage now
no process na yande
okay
but the constitution and the standing orders I think 132 standing orders of parliament so emra
okay
hello because it is recognized in the constitution order 132 say at any stage in fact 133 can say SSR mrebia passes through the process bill femuno only say regular bill no na yi kakra wo and sana oba non entrenched wo na yi ba bia bekwa kodu ana entrenched so baby because the difference now is say after the first reading the introduction no now speaker Adekye select committee corona or no ewo parliament or hwesa so say even say apomudin ana say school semwa ye the ama education select committee wo mu na kobobo hu the report aba and sana second reading now afi a consideration stage and sana about third reading so until 4 tier good and only regular normal bill no but where a year constitutional a year SCSS constitution non-entrenched no and on a first reading here introduce speaker and farm mass select committee or the Command Council of State. Now Council of State do agree power about almost 1 month or so to bring. It is almost the bar. Now omuchiro agree power. They never started the process of second reading, consideration, and then the third reading final stages.
So it is sad any think away 243 and once over can check clerk ne say may withdraw and one no. Clerk of Parliament. In your minister so be kwakupu ye fiho.
No, why not? Why? A minister na deba. Wow, the bad one approve.
I see.
Wow, the bad. And the entrenched today, you woman. A core council of state, a core baby. Then the difference I say instead say your bed ma select committee or parliament abo excel. The select committee in this case the wider Ghanaian populace.
Yeah.
The wider Ghanaian populace. Into the referendum. Into your 2 years. Near catch parliament say ane yama kwan say utimi go ahead na wasa emrano. So until we 2 years in we are it comes back to parliament and no so cry no parliament sebesa deliberate or I go through the process. Amaya omagia tum and san yes empire samrano.
Ya jitumu but one will say sir the year can once 55-3 say na why ho constitutional instrument dada enti anim di phone wonu an mo so temra ne say constitutional instrument no enya bapa essence referendum ni nya ma ye nti mo ka mo brofo bi hold it in abeyance enti say we referendum na afei parliament asili no kra enti say see ya wonya the constitutional instrument atoso ne de in a way no e bro bill level.
But referendum no so my argument e man your operational.
Enti na omo ka say wom say enye operational de but baby ejina no so enye bill keke. Enti enye said you de koye na chinchin anche obeba abeyie. Wono mo a ye twan omo say o mo na mo ye organizers of the referendum say no. And e beba be ka say oh ye nim say mama constitutional instrument to go ahead say enye referendum we. Now so say ni enti me maso then they go through another process na ye yi sa I know FIO. Okay, so Asante Gloria Kwa. How are we going to take back our annul that CI no?
Say no, you see, no. Parliament will have to advise, will write to the electoral commission.
Okay.
Say yes, Papa electoral commission. You media naka ubedia we akwa kudro. Say baby abi do dia de ne ba so ona nya bio. Inti say wo electoral commission what advice on now what to do. The electoral commission will eventually come out to cure that mischief. Inti me would enter this for dimirika kukukuna. A process. You go through a process. Ana a correspondence. A parliament EC ana the odia naba. Entem kutahudie. Inti for EC so benya. Inti for say EC benya nyina so no. Say withdrawal no mu no. Let every free parliament call EC for EC also to advise itself appropriately.
Thank you.
Me Adekye for advocacy paper on referendum issue. And appendix 8 Mampenyin and Nado Danko Akufo-Addo statement. And me person me ma will be at here say the NDC's position of say yanto aba at the local level. A no from the time of the Constitutional Review Commission. So, page 14 of page 15 of the report, Adekye for paper 1, was say the government did not, and this is from Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. 8, appendix 8, Nanado's position on why we should go and vote yes. Was say the government did not accept the Constitutional Review Commission's recommendation. It rejected the Constitutional Review Commission's recommendations on the elections of assemblymen on the grounds that the argument advanced by the commission for a non-partisan local government system far outweigh any argument in favor of a partisan local government system. Government therefore intend that Article 248 in its present form be retained. That is when the Constitutional Review Commission did at the end of the day. That has been our position since 2011. Then Mampenyin and Nado Bekachere said John Mahama when he was a vice president at that time.
Also Article 24
must be retained.
24 saying
8. Me patch my main sign
talking about 248.
Maybe me can be.
243. Any 55.3 in here.
Can be. Menchiro. Or see, the government did not accept the CRC's recommendation. It rejected the CRC recommendation on election of assemblymen on the grounds that the arguments advanced by the commission for a non-partisan local government system far outweigh any argument in favor of a partisan local government system. Government therefore intends that the Article 248 in its present form be retained.
What do you say?
In fact, the position was clearly on the commission's position at that time. The NDC rejected the commission's report. In 2008, the NDC's administration, and this is per Nanado's statement. So here, ni picture na dawi.
Okay.
This is the commission's recommendation. Was in 2008, the NDC administration, led by President John Mills, set up a constitutional review commission to advise on the matter. In 2011, report recommended the following: Parliament should be empowered to amend Article 248 at any time in the future to make provisions for partisan elections at the district and sub-district level. And now, you rejected on the ground, said the article should be maintained.
Okay.
Then another and they say, you need to share and district assembly elections on the ground. But Mr. My recommendation was a Parliament should be empowered to four recommendations on this MMDC's elections. Parliament should be empowered to determine specific mechanisms for choosing MMDCs, which should vary according to whether it is a metropolitan, a municipal, or a district. In metropolitan areas, mayors should be popularly elected. In metropolis, 3 nominees of the president who have been vetted by the Public Service Commission would contest in the public election. Then the 4th one, in district assemblies, the president should nominate a candidate for approval by a simple majority of the assemblymen as a DC. That is the recommendation of the Constitutional Review Commission.
Okay.
Where did we say
where did we say per the Okana no pay? Just a Constitutional Review Commission. Professor President, the late President, Professor Mills Etiye. Na Iura Mahama, Vice President. Won't take Ghana all the consultations we ask. We no recommendations. The Ghana forces do us pay. Sa batro no form ho partisan politics. One working can see. Na no no ana aban na no ho no. Professor Mills aban ni Iura Mahama aban. Esi the Ghana for akan mpene so. Yes sir. Pedi Ghana for account. Into just another.
So that's still a
good. Yo. So now you are fighting for Ghanaians, the large population, and now more fighting for more. So you have been there for long ago. So dear be a Ghana for dear. And yadia more at NDC, more for so now place. Impo where majority of Ghanaians agiatumu. And you are talking about consultation. Consultation been a chain, constitutional review for the they did extensive consultation. They consulted chiefs, they consulted whoever. And then Momo proclaimed, say, Momo pay chiefs assembly. Chiefs in the Bible, chiefs Nanya chiefs in the Bible, nothing on your chief. So keep quiet. So keep quiet. Into the watching Nana Susubribi,
GMPC board member.
Nana Susubribi as Krobia.
Both of us.
Yes, yes. Or he be the central region. And now Western. Also, pay yes. So yes, of course. And to one confirm him when I confirm him for assembly and the other. Now, more passing for assembly.
Say, Omu no cra, and Tissa. And a Ghana for the donor epe, say, for partisan, Emremu, to say the commission no ekaya. Then why suspend the referendum?
Thank you. Didn't your man penny suspend the referendum? Ne say, you drew baby or minor, see, your minor hodo. And indeed, party be anyhow, ye wa be me. you need about 75% of Ghanaian voters population. We don't have. NDC Wabem, now they did not have.
Okay.
Obia no our winning election or Ghana Hampo or they 56% in contemporary times, 56 to 60% are winning. Now the bar in Susudiana, as I say, with the Huritra, now with Mr. Samrano. And your search say, we here Ubia adventure. Bar now 2.5 meters, Panibi also high jump 2.5 meters, Nihurinyading, but 7.5 meters high. Dr. Kokwefri, the Biadan, but Nihuri adding. Until Ujitum say you cannot have it. And San Yina. It is a no far, and I'm no far. Nasi Yina, you may come and could near betting ya. Let's say a ya or minor dear, ye betting ya yam na ye. Now, no far, Jinin Kukum, nay, we near be drab on 10 hours what rekeseme. What rekesi or mining na intinaya na da kuntumpu and
a section within majority of Ghanaians. It is a Ghana for the one and one shall say and a chess CRC in Edgeman and so I was saying to a June BM say na a dear Ghana for pair and Casana. If it says if indeed Ghana for the one I can say for partisan Emra form about anymore. I didn't have a time also and I said several years down the line, I feel be implemented na fe asia ye wo yo impressive societies I am fine for now some say they disagree to agree omo wache e bi peneso e bi so mpeneso
exactly
enti mamo maye nkeka ye nananu mutimu mu
that's the point you shouldn't have gone there you shouldn't have gone there
Ayo mo enjoy from apart from that e would here no we dey bobi fufuro di e kire me we dey bobi kire me no but we dey kire me na ohine no oni GMPC board
if you feel comfortable
no ohine no okasa ye so oni GMPC board so aka kire me
no also ansidi onya Ghanani
onya Ghanani na coincidence asiwa ha say no was soon intino or support a position. Yes, sir.
Who tell you?
First time on BBS.
But we have no, of course, it's not about first time. It's about say and you only back of Ghana board. No, you shouldn't don't do that. The head of the president of the chieftaincy institution. I issue a statement to my opinion and another than Kufuor Kasai. Referendum MPP for mumpe your friend is saying yes no what is obi abeka say no man penyin na nado enya adwen pen what have you heard any MPP member coming out to stay so man penyin position no de buy no cannot be a position of me your friend saying MPP member what why should the chieftaincy institution the chieftaincy institution comes out with a position that ni subordinate especially with the one no contest aban no about Bonte say what's now kind of is it fair?
You went contest. Ewo mo ankasa mo de to Asante region.
Yes.
The winning here now wo lusu here no. The bibi o kan when this mo Asante region now na
enya me ba Bonte.
That's all then
what is your Bonte?
MPP yen
mo position na no be.
Now the MPP for my ba Bonte so mo pay yes.
Me nyanti o ka kire me.
Me nua Kennedy Japan.
Ah sir.
Ono o kan say o si no. Ade no baby a yina kwa ko.
No.
Dabitie o se baby a
broader consultation
enti yan twa de ne nsɛn obai
o se say ne party betie ne dia omo ntwen
so
omo nya broader
so man panyin ebo ni di wo
honorable Dambote
obi a na
honorable Dambote eba Bonte be kasa the same thing
wan kasa honorable Dambote wan kasa wasi enam so mbekwa ko lusu etino yen kensa wakase won pe no me ba cho ti say Dambote kase openu
what that be also for broader consultation na senior NDC for ma twe ade na akwa koduro no ono no susu say
na ayese di mampani atem ba I think say
yes
ono kra no ofre can say papers no said the omu quote no omu e quote no out of context we need roads fine but onu ni say niam ebema roads na beni na so said ya mumu cheche mu no e man microphone ti ase enti say if sa na mo ye dia ene e man entwin sa na on read na ye di na te what I say it's making people insult the
so it means that Roman Penny didn't do broader consultation as he told us
but he himself has come to say I consulted my predecessors
and the predecessors are telling you that
who are the predecessors
out of 3.
So what Fred the other 2 no say. Why you not calling them?
Let Mahama
this
speak.
paper,
Let Mahama come out
paper way, MPP chairman, paper national chairman.
What's it?
The year so ambassador
for company and Shisha.
Yes, I'm not okay. The chairman for the MPP, Nedieni. Me ame mame Fayi Jinable. Why ambassador for paper ningi. Paper chop. Was it blows over aborted referendum?
Okay.
So over down, baby, what caption or Mahama push. Paper choti. Former President Mahama, who President Akufo-Addo said was part of those he met to discuss the local governance issue, is now turning around to say that the respected leaders did not agree in principle to move the agenda. NDC Member of Parliament Samuel Okudzeto-Ablakwa claimed Mr. Mahama told him the former president did not agree with President Akufo-Addo to elect MMDCs on partisan basis. I have spoken to him, and he says that what they discussed was electing MMDCs for which there is a broader based consensus. There was no commitment towards Article 55(3) amendment and introducing partisan politics at the local level. There was no such consensus. Me patrol daily guide.
Okay.
So President
President who are suspended. More how they say. Press conference President who are suspended.
Ghana for the Kama. It's Facebook comments Kaka making kind. Johnny Lance Van der Poel. Tama come to BBC. Sister, I honestly don't understand what the NDC really wants. I mean, they were ardently advocating for either a no vote or total withdrawal of the exercise. Now it's been abrogated. They go ahead to describe it as unconstitutional. You see what politics can do? That's why I was going in for a no vote. If the polls had pushed through, partisanship is the kind and manon konti me to be then I could see obeying just so say, yeah. The referendum was under local government. It is the local government which undertook all the consultations on the referendum. So if there should be any change, the local government has to initiate it. So the president was right. If Professor Kwekwasan thinks the government has erred, he should go to court and stop moving from station to station. Musa Abatwa. Essentially, Honorable Joseph Yamin is on point, because how do you cancel a policy without drawing attention of Parliament? What it means is that you have no respect for legislators. Whether they like it or not, their unpopular referendum will come on, because I'm filing a suit at Accra High Court against the decision of President Akufo-Addo, because his action is contrary to the 1992 Constitution. Antonio Bain Ablade Fiakuma Zungu Takrade on the issue of referendum withdrawal. Is President Akufo-Addo a lawyer? How can he withdraw this referendum on air before heading to Parliament to do the official withdrawal? Instead of NPP helping Nana Addo to achieve his goal, it is rather NDC party who is helping Nana Addo. If not NDC, so many things should have been wrong. Example, if not NDC, so many things would have been wrong. Example, PDS, sex education, and many more. Maxi Opoku says, please, I know you are not talking about this, but help me. I got 5 A's, 2 B's, and 1 D, that is English, and can't attend university. But my friend had 8 C's, 8 C's, or 8 C6s. Okay, so he had C6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. But he is now in the university. Please, let's talk about this as a nation. It's more comments kakra enonom. Yan shamitam naka say, oh, 9:19. Almost 9:20. So 6 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Honorable Kokofu.
Yeah.
Pamocho. Sisi a guta for asemi. Mummy yan shanka say. Yeti wa na krama bedani jatabruwa. Na beto achi yen ne eni Nigeria fo eni ahoho ya tetena mu eba bekose ni guta fo se mu na mu de mraba ana mra se hwe fo ahemra yen hwe na nya adwuma yen hwe na nya adwuma so yen twam na omo de omo be hwe so omo be enforce mra no obi so omo se de mu ye tia mra omo se ade nti na ebinum so tia mra enti enura wonum ko omo won se na nse na ye kumase so amazi enura bedru nkran tiptoe lane circle am etututu nyina abem yeah ne den.
Yeah, but Mr. Mamebram, Bibiki to have been page 3 of Delegate. I presec Legon School.
Okay.
I'm saying, Jama, school you need to papa.
Wow.
And Colano ni woman omun tunia men wabon tinkeke.
Okay.
Tigana for na as citizen. You see Quadane was school presec. Minim sa other schools so e be omo yan Emra Montenia mo ambaso.
Oh, okay.
President.
What can presec the near Micha festival or presec ho and house 10 house master and opemi good morning.
Okay. Also President Kufuor final when your school they were tuned.
Oh sir.
President Kufuor Kokati sword no. ABC school technical high school.
And your creative art there and so. Committee so can say be creative art. No
school.
No father
so no baby or tidy agropa on a creative art.
How can I school?
On a course.
Me opposite man competence. Mama bubu Peters me ko Cambridge and
Cambridge. Okay. You good
time. Jack school.
Jack
SAH. SAH.
Jack SHS.
SHS. Okay.
Meanwhile, I send Koranzo Bekoni free. So I tell you, baby, Ghana. Now, with him, so good tane, back on the
NUTAG, Nigerian Union of Traders Association in Ghana. So, Nigeria traders in Ghana who have formed that association. NUTAG.
Me no ya dwe pa se yetete ho ana abe escalate ya bibi hu abe me na ye nyina.
Yeah.
Ghana for Nigeria on ye adwuma wa eni ano. Minim conservatively as about 4 million Ghanaians or so.
Wow.
Sana mrebi mete no. Na apart from one station home ye adwuma mete home ye residence. Ni won ekoba susu bebre. Sa ni on Nigeria for e was system mu a omsu ye adwuma.
Okay.
Now that particular mrana emma kwan ma hoho enye retailing no ana retailer you are eno na akofa ntu anhwe ni ade nyina ba emre bi me ne wotira e kan you may see say papa ye Nigeria ni me ye Nigeria ni e bi a me shop ni obekom no na me yere ne ho a wo ye Ghana ni a wo din mu na me de bi shop no so legally ukase me Nigeria ni ametewa me ye retailing no beto shop no mu a na wan contract mu anhwe a na
to Ghana ni shop
bako to Ghana ni shop
no kre ya we waka sensu ida e dey na si authorities ne kwan say sa unsusu efefefe ana wa de assumption ye betimi abam mo mbekọ rounds because ye hu se gutafo na ni abre na ye wo makọ rounds no nko makọ bisa agenkrata no mo no ma fra gutafo say we mu ye genuine leave them.
Ministry of Trade ayesa sisi ni ade ni nyina.
Oh sir.
Yes. Now the point is say local traders no gutafo no genuinely, I mean, you sympathize with them because your competition. Now, specialize here, maybe kwa economy. Ebia ya deje sempoa. So now obi foforo the beer be free abontin baby aba. Ah bi kura me hwese quality no kura bia we enuru we baby a. No de abeje capre. Enti no nipa atu agu no so. Because onu nya no fofofu ni enti no mintimi compete with. Meanwhile, jurisdiction media.
I don't think so because good for Naka say almost show competition.
You know, there be
good for Maka. Only ni say SSC ye share wo mu ni eti o mu consent.
Seriously, and can maybe conclude say this should be a national security issue. The message me offer Doctor, National Security Minister. Ebia now o mabemu pen but still I know omo apu omo game they should sit down.
National security plan na say omo ne other sectors say national security ni Ministry of Trade ni GIPC for na nkasa now omo your authority crowd enye committee o say commission be nti omo mi ensa o say omo nine ni nyina
are you crowd them we GR for crowd them because
so mo jeje bi moto
e tro ne ade na mo jeje because mo je tro mama omo license AMA Accra for instance AMA amema mo license o mu tua bibia ne ade so what is it say oni an nye legible say oye adwuma AMA kura na se di kan ana metropolitan or district assembly krone di kan kra tum
move shop omo de omo ade red na
that is the point because unko je no to no now amana hunu say mama omo operational licenses so what is it is say oye foreigner no retail na nye ya ko kra nko je no operational license no kra no so ato shop no ana Ghana Investment
Promotion Authority
once so
council bim
yes also so criteria na you did determine say way your foreigner no ultimate call this it should be made public no obi AMA no
samra no why na be enforce GIPC for na or GIPA for na on be enforce na police na be enforce
local authorities no
to say AMA for
woman they own the areas, they own the shops. Local authority, what they are?
And they should be up and
that's the point. And to trade for no more interpreted law, they say investment authority for interpreted law. And to woman, Miss Woman Kwaje rent near annual licensing for operational license. And to before so by Obama operational license, then now we should say your now quota ben or a dear or resident permit or dear or na immigration it didn't make us
what was sempa na ye brenu nti honorable yami and yes anu good afo iso and away and say so bodwa GIPC nko say honorable kokofu kan waka or resident permit na ese so ye odidwa na odinana ama meni guta pen nutag chief chuku naji so kasa o kan say omo permit any ade nti enkanya sa asenke etu omo afi ho wonyini se gutafo no so aye se omo apromo no omo famra ne fa bi ene omo di America
well asem we ne kan de
pa
last time ne yetna ha kan ho asem na enra bi san si
yeah
on se Kumasi ke Swami esi ye no omo toto shops no wi ade chen Ghana for no LED no omo ko biebie se omo nuamma ene ye adwuma wo Nigeria for no shops no emu nti wutumu a it means that ono no na adwuma ye den abon nti omo a na omo adwuma abo omo no kra far out number ye shops na ya tutumu no nti Ghana for no understand sorry. And that is the issue. A serious. Senra hwe ya omo tutu mu no na utie Nigeria for no. In fact Ghana ni no or phone dealers one no. I see about 300 Ghanaians, well built Ghanaians. And so na Nigeria for equal for omo de on buy say omo so mra made en of course.
Wow.
So issue is an issue I mean Chamagogufu ya adwen say it's a national security issue and Abino should not look at it from a bribia etwamu how we handle it because ya escalating.
Pa yansha na xenophobia ni bia
of course because you know mitie Nigeria in response so say I hope it doesn't get to that stage and me yamshime.
Yeah.
The whole person can straight there but at least he was speaking to the Nigerians in Nigeria.
83
and the Ghana for na now one time I listened to them say even on the Nigerian trade crown say Ghana ni bi kra ewo omo executive position bi eso and so the signal no put to about is that enya Nigeria for nko na ye business wa Ghana for no so bi ye den ewo ho ya nhwe na sa de we sha ase na ye se be ye bi nso ho a Ghana for no ye trimu amre pa o and when we are handling with ahoho ye handle with some bit of human face but other can more broom into a babona soon crown out to say a bono civilian ebo but Nigeria ni ebo obo so ye nibo and that is the danger
so ye na Adekye to akwaje
kese nti Abino should take this matter up as a matter of agency
so ayi there ayi kan na say Nigeria for two omo bodam almost Benin for no manya.
Yeah,
but ye hu amane pa. Aban ne president ne minister of trade tu o ma tu hu kwan anante ho. So wo ma tu mboda mo wo ma no mboda ana ye kura se na o mu ni common border. Benin for nti ke de ke fa ho be.
You found because you just you go.
That is the point. I don't know what about. And yes, mommy, how to handle the whole thing. Say I'm here. You to me be say say man.
But I say so you penny for now. I too reluctant. Ain't in a ma good for any feel say you nya come up for the be come.
And until I me impress upon the authorities. Be no. Onyina titru me there me local authorities no kra na because you own it.
Cause by now
kamuni on because good halfway mo na mo gi license ne to ne ade ana obi odi dwa mo locality bia because mo internal generating fund in honey free ba so nti mo gi sika no gi de ne nyamodene na mum issue beba na mo be
assembly no ye problem ni bia no pay say na meka baby obi tena nse so otena ho won be kwa akwaji
nti ye to aba ma MC na na ayi ogina party din mu ne to ma no
na say the order na ye to aba ma no anya assembly for the to ma no
ya bi e kuma bi se dodo na nipa dodo na ne to no so aba
dodo no ne be ye
ana obebo dawuro se the MP bebo dawuro aka be na woni ba de ba ko esre ye say ye de amario ekọ form ho political party a ye be say ye democracy na Ghanaians are so intelligent. Ghanaians enim nyansa ne akokodura to the sense omtimi e dey party partisan eto abayi president omtimi ye party partisan eto abayi MP na assemblyman na Ghana for ni
thank you
7 and Ghana for ni ahode ni nyansa so mbe yi assemblyman
Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, Deputy CEO Ghana Steel, there be Integrated Steel and Iron Corporation. Integrated Steel and Iron Corporation.
Integrated Iron and Steel.
It's iron first. Integrated Iron
and Steel.
Iron and Steel, okay.
What the man can say me, enche, or my friend, Iron Man.
Deputy CEO, I don't know. And Honorable Joseph Yami, former Ashanti Regional Secretary, NDC, former Deputy Minister, Youth and Sports, and former Deputy Minister, Ashanti Region. Around man who pay them was a palm. May sorry, so happy birthday. 40th one to Jewel Mame Dufie Wadie of Keep Cool Enterprise, Cantamanto, from your husband, Udo Kwartin of Newmont, Ghana. And then another one here from Gladys. Where is it? Okay, so happy birthday to Nathani Ama Aye of Odoko SDA Church from Reverend and Mrs. Councillor Luchot and family. And then happy birthday to Uncle Robert Ampa, 60th birthday to you, long life and good health from Richard Darkon of the office of the First Lady. Ain't you know, so yeah, the Irishman would have paid ye Mufani J Munkodi Modiane, Namono Munsa, Namunda Yame Asafia to mo, ya yensu ye fade ni muno, ye the NG FM na mi PSA Mrs. Constance Esiama, Obesho hu ye wo me ho so ate. Me we are share me won feature o me ma good morning. I hope so mo ye pacho nyame adomo chena Adekye Nsroma beba ene upia di wonyame hira onti na nimu nche o ensi wiye nesisa no adwuma ye emum ema wo remfi se ode na seda ebema no. When your praises go up, his glory will surely come down. Ya kuna meni
yeah, why there for specialized
send the no one even
upe usa no man no me fire be fra
o pe se